G'day everybody, my name's Greg and welcome to another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. Today we're going to be looking at 5 models that I printed out for my granddaughter. Now I will be putting the links in the description, and also after I show you there will be more videos, more detailed videos of the models so you can see. Now the first one is this little chicken in the Easter egg. Nice easy print. These are all printed either on my Anycubic Cobra 3 or the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max. Now these are all multi-part prints. They all snap together nice and easy with a bit of glue and come out quite good. Now the next one is one of my granddaughter's favourite shows from Gabby's Dollhouse. This is Young Pandy. Nice easy print for this one. Once again, was a multi-part print and just printed this out and snapped it all together. The next one we have is also from Gabby's Dollhouse is Cakey. Here's Cakey here. It's a nice easy print once again and go from there. Now the next one, everyone should know this one. This is from Stitch. He's actually quite good. This is actually one of the best models I've actually ever printed. Everything snapped in nice and easy. I actually did this on a combination of both the Anycubic and the Elegoo printers. And from there, even these little black, not black, or there they are black balls there, they got left and right on the inside, so when you actually snap it together, you know which one to do. As I said, this all snapped nice and easy together. I did glue them in there and make sure that when she does play them, they don't fall out. Now, if you've got Stitch, you also have to do Angel, and here's Angel. This is also done by the same person. Once again, I'm printing on both the Elegoo and the Anycubic printers, and everything just snapped perfectly together. As you see, perfect lines going through for the eyes and everything. Once again, left and right, also on the back of the eyes, so you can snap them all together. Well, if you do like the videos, make sure you do click the like and the subscribe button. And that's all from Poppy's 3D Prints this episode. And I'll speak to you next time. Uru!
Here you go, my granddaughter.
Wow,